Here are some unique furniture design ideas to inspire your creativity. 1. Modular seating. Create a customizable seating arrangement using modular pieces that can be rearranged to fit different spaces and needs. Material: soft cushions with a sturdy frame, available in various colors and textures. 2. Floating shelves. Design shelves that appear to float on the wall, providing a sleek and modern look while maximizing space. Material: wood or glass with hidden brackets for a minimalist aesthetic. 3. Multifunctional coffee table. A coffee table that converts into a dining table or has hidden storage compartments. Material: a combination of wood and metal for durability and style. 4. Upcycled furniture. Use reclaimed wood or vintage pieces to create new furniture items, like a bench made from old doors. Material: natural wood with a distressed finish for a rustic charm. 5. Sculptural chairs. Design chairs that double as art pieces, featuring unique shapes and forms that challenge traditional designs. Material: fiberglass or molded plastics for an avant-garde appeal. 6. Nature-inspired designs. Incorporate elements from nature like tree trunk tables or leaf-shaped seating. Material: natural wood or organic materials to evoke a sense of tranquility. 7. Industrial-style furniture. Combine raw materials like metal and wood for an industrial look, ideal for loft-style living spaces. Material: steel frames with reclaimed wood tops. 8. Interactive furniture. Create furniture that encourages interaction, like a table with built-in games or a chair that rocks or spins. Material: durable finishes with engaging textures. 9. Geometric designs. Use geometric shapes in furniture design, such as hexagonal shelves or triangular tables for a modern edge. Material: plywood or laminated surfaces for vibrant colors. 10. Minimalist designs. Focus on simplicity and functionality with clean lines and a lack of embellishments. Material: light woods or metal finishes for a sleek look. Here are more unique furniture design ideas to inspire you. 11. Convertible furniture. Pieces that transform for multiple uses, like a sofa that folds into a bed or a desk that collapses into a side table. Material: lightweight materials for easy transformation, such as aluminum or engineered wood. 12. Asymmetrical designs. Create furniture with asymmetrical shapes that challenge conventional forms, like a lopsided bookshelf or an uneven coffee table. Material: mixed materials such as wood and metal for contrast. 13. Transparent furniture. Use acrylic or glass to create furniture that appears to vanish into the background, offering a modern, minimalist look. Material: clear acrylic or tempered glass for strength and elegance. 14. Integrated planters. Design furniture that incorporates living plants, such as a coffee table with built-in planters or a chair with a backrest that holds greenery. Material: water-resistant materials like treated wood or metal. 15. Whimsical designs. Create playful furniture pieces, like a chair shaped like an animal or a table that resembles a giant book. Material: soft upholstery for comfort and fun shapes. 16. Textured surfaces. Experiment with different textures, such as a couch with a quilted surface or a table with a carved pattern. Material: varied textiles or wood finishes to enhance tactile appeal. 17. Vintage revival. Reimagine classic furniture styles, like mid-century modern or Art Deco, with contemporary materials or colors. Material: classic woods paired with modern fabrics or finishes. 18. Light-infused furniture. Incorporate LED lighting into furniture design, such as a bed with underlighting or a bookshelf with backlit shelves. Material: wood or metal frames with integrated lighting elements. 19. Puzzle furniture. Create pieces that fit together like a puzzle, such as chairs that stack or tables that interlock for easy storage. Material: durable plastics or lightweight wood for easy handling. 20. Artisan craftsmanship. Focus on handmade pieces that highlight traditional craftsmanship, such as hand-carved tables or woven chairs. Material: natural fibers or solid woods to emphasize quality and uniqueness. 21. Cultural fusion. Blend design elements from different cultures, such as Moroccan patterns on a Scandinavian-style table. Material: a mix of textiles and wood styles to reflect diverse influences. 22. Sound-absorbing furniture. Design furniture that not only serves a purpose but also helps reduce noise, like sound-absorbing panels integrated into furniture. Material: acoustic fabrics or foam combined with traditional materials. 23. Outdoor-inspired furniture. Create indoor furniture that mimics outdoor elements, such as a chair resembling a tree stump or a table shaped like a rock. Material: weather-resistant materials for durability and aesthetics. 24. Retro tech furniture. Incorporate vintage technology into furniture, like a coffee table that houses a record player or a desk with built-in speakers. Material: wood and metal finishes that reflect a nostalgic style. 25. Dynamic furniture. Design pieces that change shape or function with movement, like a chair that adjusts to the user's posture. Material: flexible materials and mechanical components for adaptability. Here are even more unique furniture design ideas to spark your creativity. 26. Kinetic furniture. Furniture that incorporates movement, such as a table with sliding surfaces or chairs that rock and sway. Material: lightweight materials with smooth mechanisms for easy motion. 27. Hidden storage solutions. Design pieces that conceal storage compartments, like ottomans that open up or coffee tables with drawers. Material: solid wood or upholstered materials for comfort and functionality. 28. Cork furniture. Use cork as a primary material for lightweight, eco-friendly furniture, such as chairs or tables with a natural aesthetic. Material: sustainable cork with various finishes for durability. 29. String furniture. Create furniture using strong strings or ropes to form supportive structures, like a hanging chair or a woven shelf. Material: durable cord paired with a sturdy frame for safety. 30. Geodesic designs. Utilize geometric patterns and structures, like a dome-shaped seating arrangement or a hexagonal table. Material: lightweight metals or plastics for structural integrity. 31. Mirror furniture. Incorporate mirrors into furniture designs, such as reflective tables or cabinets that create an illusion of space. Material: glass and metal for a chic and modern look. 32. Futuristic furniture. Design pieces that look ahead, using sleek lines and innovative materials, like a desk with integrated tech features. Material: advanced composites or smart materials that adapt to user needs. 33. Fabric-wrapped furniture. Use fabric to wrap furniture pieces, creating a soft, inviting look, such as upholstered tables or chairs with fabric finishes. Material: various textiles for texture and color options. 34. Puzzle piece seating. Create seating that can be rearranged like puzzle pieces, allowing for flexible configurations in a space. Material: lightweight materials for easy reconfiguration. 35. Vintage suitcase furniture. Repurpose old suitcases into unique furniture items, such as a coffee table or storage unit. Material: vintage suitcases with sturdy bases for support. Thank you for joining me in exploring these unique furniture design ideas. I hope you found inspiration to create pieces that reflect your personal style and enhance your space. Remember, furniture is not just functional, it can also be a work of art that tells your story. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more design inspiration, and share your favorite ideas in the comments below. What unique designs are you excited to try? Until next time, keep creating and transforming your space into something truly special. Happy designing!